Firas was a cheerful little boy, just 4 years old, with bright eyes and a heart full of curiosity. He lived in a warm, happy home with his loving parents, who always made him feel safe and special. Every morning, Firas would run to his father's arms and giggle as they sang silly songs and danced around the kitchen. His favorite part of the day was when they all had breakfast together, sharing stories and laughter. In the evenings, his father would read him bedtime stories while Firas snuggled under his blanket, holding his teddy bear. One sunny afternoon, his father sat Firas and his mother down with a serious face and said he got a new job. "I'll be working as an engineer on a big ship," he explained, "and I'll have to stay far from home for many months." Firas looked up, confused, not fully understanding what it meant, but he could feel that something was changing. A few days later, Firas watched as his father packed his suitcase with clothes, tools, and pictures of the family. Before leaving, his father knelt down, hugged him tightly, and whispered, "I'll miss you so much, my little star. Be brave." Firas stood by the window, waving with tears in his eyes as the car drove away, feeling like a piece of his heart went too. The house, once full of laughter and noise, now felt quiet and empty without his father's voice and footsteps. At night, Firas would lie awake in bed, hugging his teddy bear and waiting for the sound of his father's key, but it never came. He stopped playing with his toys and didn't laugh as much, often sitting by the window, watching the sky. His mother noticed how sad he had become and tried everything to cheer him up, telling stories, playing games, baking cookies. Some evenings, they would video call his father from the ship, and Firas's face would light up when he saw him on the screen. He would show his father his drawings, talk about his day, and listen closely when his father described the big ocean waves. Slowly, Firas started to feel a little stronger, knowing that even far away, his father still loved him and thought about him every day. He began drawing pictures of boats and writing little notes to give his father when he came back home. Though he still missed his father deeply, Firas learned that love doesn't disappear with distance. It just finds new ways to stay close.